Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this time I am going to do a tutorial on how to build a octagon explosion box. So what that is that there's a bunch of photos and mementos like in this photo, and I've done this in the past. This one's the one that I've done, which is a lot easier. It's just a box, and basically you can put in like little mementos, little sayings or cutesy things that are very specific to your partner. And this is the one that I've done in the past. Like I said, it's a box, whereas the one that I'm doing is this one, which is an octagon shaped box, and it's a lot more complicated. So I wanted to do that for my boyfriend as well, since it's our 6th anniversary being together. So let's get started. First thing is that when I first opened this, it had no instructions. I was very confused, thinking how could I possibly build this thing without really knowing how to build it. So I kind of searched around the internet. I don't think that there's any tutorials on YouTube, but there is a tutorial on Amazon, so I use that, though it is very fast, but I will be linking it in bio as reference. They split it up into parts, so this is part A of the set, and then the smaller ones are part B. So essentially parts A and B will be the actual flaps, or the outside 2 flaps of the box. So that's the first thing that I'm doing, and I'm putting on the sticky tape. So all you're doing is folding in the edges, and you have to do this a little repeatedly since there are 2 part A's and 2 part B's. So technically there's 4 sets of flaps that you need to do, about 32 times. And then we move on to part C and D, and again I'll link the video. It goes pretty fast, but you'll get the idea if you slow it down, that basically these parts are, or C and D are the tops for the bottom of this box. Again, it gets repetitive since technically there are, I think, 5 or 6 tops. Then there's this box that's going to be at the very center. That's what I'm doing right now. And then just putting it all together. And then there's these flaps that are I think part F, technically. There's one big one and there's one little one, and then you put the box in the middle, and then you just kind of stack them together. And then there are other parts that are flaps too. There's these that they didn't explain how to fold them, so I guess it's very free-for-all that you could just fold them whatever you want. Probably as long as you're folding on the lines that are indented into the paper. I think that you can just fold them however in that way. And then just putting it all together. And then yeah, that's how I made this explosion box. I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a nice rest of the day. Thank you guys for waiting till the end of the video. I do have some announcements. So I will be trying to put out a video every 4 or 5 days, since it does take me a long time to edit the videos. However, I will try to be more on top of uploading. For those of you who watch me regularly, I will be trying to do more or different content. So please look out for that, and thank you guys so much, and thank you for your support.